Hello, hello, hello. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. So yeah, Manan, Milestone, Shreyas, MNY, Krunal, Saurabh, Kriki, Pappu, Ganesh, Tanik. Welcome to the stream, guys. I hope all of you are doing well. Let me quickly share the charts. Obviously, you guys are already looking at it, so that's fine as well. Right now, there's one short trade that I've took. Other than that, nothing else. Like right above this area is where I went short. So currently, this is what the short trade looks like. Let me share with you all as well. Paste. Yeah. So this is the current short trade that I'm in, and nothing else. I'm still looking for a few levels, so I'll share that as well. Hello, sir. Can we buy Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin at this price for long term? For long term, like describe what does long term mean for you. If you are planning to hold it for, let's say, at least 4 to 5 years, yes, perfectly. But if you are planning to hold it for 6 months or 7 months, now is not the right time to start investing into either of these coins. All right. So yeah, Solana might be fine. Like Solana, I gave a clear sign that you can be buying when we were at $105. All right. So that is when I said that, okay, this is the right price to buy. But right now, I still feel it's a bit overpriced. So yeah. Aradhya Wal, hi. Vraj Patel, hi. Welcome to the stream, guys. Welcome to the stream. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, so this is what I'm looking at right now. We do have a few levels which where we rejected from. So for me, this was one of those levels where I went into a short position, and I'm still holding this. I do not expect this to hold for a very long time. Like if I quickly switch to a 30-minute time frame and I turn on the TPO, just a second, let it load. So yeah, you can see the lows that we have made are not that great. All right, like even the recent lows that we have made, and throughout all of these lows are not great. But that does not mean we are going to push higher. Why? Because even the highs that we have formed is not good. So this is not a great high. This was not a great high. Even this was not a great high, but you took the previous poor highs out, and you made a new poor high. So that is what we have been doing with Bitcoin recently. So that is something which we need to keep an eye on. For me right now, there are two long trades that I'm looking at, like the major trades that I usually go for. So based upon the kind of trading that I do, these are the levels that I am interested in. I've got shorting opportunities as well. So let me share those with you all. So yeah, this is the first short trade that I got in. Second, I'm already into that trade, so I've not marked it. But the next trade for me is at the VWAP, because we've also got a single print right around that area. So single prints are pretty important levels according to me, and I will be waiting for that. Bro, gold analysis. Yeah, I'll be quickly switching to gold as well. Hey Fahad, bro. Hey News Pro, what's up, brother? Welcome to the stream. Black and white chart. Yeah, I've done it, like kind of black and white. It's not exactly black and white. Like I'll show you Like this is the colors that I'm going with right now. I'm trying to like revamp my charts a bit, so that is what I've been doing. Like I've been using the previous colors for a very long time now, so I thought let me change them. I'm new to crypto. Can you tell me how I can start learning it from the basics? For now I want it for free. Yeah, that's absolutely fine. You can learn a lot of stuff for free itself, so I would recommend that start watching most of the videos that we have posted on this particular channel. So there is a dedicated playlist that we have made. Like it depends on what you are interested in learning, and with that you can like literally just get started. So that is possible. So I'm inviting with 30-30 ratio in Solana. Okay, dividing is what I would Aman shorts. 30-30-30 ratio in Solana, Ethereum and Bitcoin. Like again, as I said, if you're planning to hold them for years and years, that's absolutely fine. But if you're planning, like if you just want quick returns, nope, not the right time. Definitely buying Bitcoin above 100K for just like holding it for a few months is not the right choice. I mean, if you just want a 10% or 5% gain, you can invest in other assets as well. Or if you're looking for like a great return, I would say now is not the right time. Bro, where are you from? I'm currently in Gujarat, so yeah. So yeah, that is what you can do. Sarthak Yobai. Hey brother, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Bro, where are you from? Yeah, I just answered that. Let's have a look at gold. Gold maybe got that TP1 in that long. I mean, personally, I did not take it, but then yeah, you hit that 3290 level, you hit that zone of interest, and after that you reverse. That's fine. Gives me an idea that we are again going to go a bit more higher. So on gold, technically I do not like to trade like that, but money flow kind of getting higher. All right. Even though the market structure says to short, based upon how, what does it look like on 15-minute? Yeah, I would be interested in going long on this, to be honest. Yeah, the only long trade according to me on gold is around this area. Obviously you'll have to be cautious with the TP levels, but yeah, let's see how the level reacts. We've still got some time for that. Yes, I'm inviting in this coin for 4-5 years. Then absolutely perfect. If you're doing it for 4-5 years, that will definitely work. That will definitely work. Did you choose the blue color wolf or just guess, brother, who would have made the choice? And it's blue, but it's mostly blue because of the lights that are behind my like desk. There is a light on my desk itself, so this whole room is lit up just by the light that I have in my desk. Coin for 4-5 years, right? Yeah, so 4-5 years would be perfect, would be extremely perfect. In Bitcoin, I'm already into that short trade, so I'm not looking to do anything right now. Either we go a bit lower and I've got a long trade around like when we take out all of these lows, and if not, then eventually I'll be looking for higher. But right now, I think we should also be discussing about other assets as well. Like, are there any other opportunities? And what does our exo chart currently looks like? So let it load, let it load. Exo charts, it sometimes really glitches up, and nope, I'm not Gujarati, but yeah, I'm in Gujarat. Hi, bro. Hey, brother. What's up? Welcome to the stream. Yeah, as I said, it's messing up for some reason, but open interest it did dump. It really dumped bad recently. But yeah, that's fine. That's absolutely fine. I had to look out for something. Just give me a moment. Do we have something interesting on the charts? As of now, I don't see anything interesting, so I can probably wait for some more time, but we'll see. Roshan, welcome to the stream, brother. Hi, Siddhant bhai ने CVD का वीडियो डाला है. Interesting. Yeah, I've watched some part of it. So yes. Are you Hyderabadi? Nope, I'm not. I've been to Hyderabad, but not Hyderabadi. Cool. Let's quickly look at some altcoins if there are any assets or anything that we would be interested in, but nothing as of now. Yeah, we front ran that level that we were looking for. It was pretty weak and did not get the reaction. That's fine. We are still like, we took out all of this liquidity, and similar, like exactly same pattern is what we are witnessing right now. Like we had this accumulation, we took that out. We've got again like same kind of accumulation, we might take that out as well, but then we'll have to be cautious. We cannot just randomly expect the market to dump. Let's quickly check out what the volume here looks like so that we can plan a good trade here. Okay, nope. Yeah, nothing for me. I'll probably be a bit more biased towards shorting this. Let's look at other assets as well by the time. Okay. Most of the coins, they are already dumping, so it would not make sense for us to like short a red candle. Siddhant bhai is from Hyderabad. Yes, absolutely, he is the legend. Yeah, make sure like smash that like button is what you said. Yeah, we have almost 45 viewers and still at 13 likes. So everyone who has not yet liked the stream, just make sure to hit that like button as well. By the time I'm looking out for some opportunities, but I do not see anything interesting yet. TRX seems so good for shorting as well, but we've got no clear yeah, I mean, we've got no clear zone, like no clear levels where we can be looking to short this. So that's the thing. Also, yeah, I did change the colors of the candle. So yeah. Why do you think crypto is simple according to other markets? I know you have been in it for a long time, but why does it not seem simple to you according to other markets? I'm assuming your question is that why do I feel that crypto market is simple when compared to other markets? I do not say that crypto is simple than any other market. That's not what I say. And if I have said it, I'll take it back. According to me, crypto suits me the best because of the kind of move that it gives. I mean, like let's compare three usual markets that we know: forex markets and commodities. Like let's keep commodities forex as one. Then we've got crypto, and then we've got like let's say Indian market, for example, all right, or any traditional finance market. So when you look at these three charts, all right, let's say the top chart in the stock market and the top chart, which is obviously Bitcoin in crypto, and then any major pair from forex, when you are looking at them, it's pretty clear. When you look at the charts, it says that okay, crypto, it's pretty aggressive, it moves when it moves, and obviously when the markets are sideways, there's not a lot to look at. But then Indian market, even on the best news or the worst news, I don't feel that they give you the kind of crazy moves that you would expect. But then again, it's not like okay, you cannot judge a market based upon one kind of move. So that's the most basic explanation that I can give you. Second is I like to trade aggressively, like you've seen my entries. When I trade, I usually like to enter at the top or at the bottom. That is how I like to trade. And for that, I don't think any market suits the kind of trading that I do. All right, and yeah, that's it. And let's take it from a perspective of a beginner. All right, let's say Aman is not a ITC guy. All right, who's Aman? Sir, I am having $500. So should I buy one Solana or a half quantity now? I would say you should probably wait and not buy anything right now. Buying Solana at 150 is not the right choice. According to me, it's not the right choice, but then eventually you'll see, like you are in the bottom of the range anyways. So there might be some kind of reversal, but according to me, Solana was a great buy when it was at 100 and below $110. Right now, I don't think so. It's the best choice. Can you please tell me about the ITC in crypto? Is that what you're asking? So nope, I'm not the ITC guy. ITC. What are the confirmations should I notice before taking a trade in any crypto? And it's not just about crypto, it's about literally any asset. I would say you need to be looking at obviously the price action. Is it in your favor? Like this was overall dumping market. Again, like let's just leave out the time frame. Let's just look at the candles. Obviously, this was a market which was trending like towards the downside. Now, what do you see? Market structure kind of changed. Like you made your low, you made your higher low. All right, you made your high, you took out the previous highs. So market structure is kind of changing now. So you cannot be as aggressive and as confident in shorting, which you would have been like somewhere around this area. That's obviously not possible. So right now, what do you want to see? You want to see how the market structure is changing. Do you get to see some aggressive green candle? Like, I mean, whatever color you like to keep on your chart. Do you see a good green candle? That's like the most basic kind of thing, like based upon the price action. But if you're someone who uses footprint, then it does not matter what's the color of the candle, because most of the time the color of the candle is in itself a manipulation. All right. So yeah, for the better, like the most extreme clarity of the market, I would say you should always be looking at the footprint, because then that makes it pretty clean, pretty clear for you to understand as well. In Solana, we might have a shorting opportunity, but I see the money flow is getting higher. We've got momentum waves that are getting higher as well. So it's not a very great shorting opportunity yet. Took out some liquidity. We've built this. This might result into a short squeeze, like that is extremely possible. Like you've got all of this. You got first fake move towards the upside, trapped all the early buyers, went below, stopped them out, and now you are getting that aggressive push. Now if the buyers step in around this area, you are going to take out all of this liquidity. That is possible. But if not, if this is a failed auction, is what you call this, a failed auction, if this is that, you are going to continue going lower. And this change in market structure was nothing but a manipulation. But we've still got 6 minutes. Based upon that closing, you can get into this trade as well. Sir, why is your VWAP always open? How do you even traders use it? Why is your VWAP always open? Because that gives me a great, like, see, I remove everything on my chart that messes it up. Like, okay, there's a lot of noise on the chart, I'll remove it. But VWAP does not do that. And again, VWAP is one of the things, one of the tools which I have been using it in such a way, in such a manner that obviously it adds to my edge. VWAP is not my edge, but it adds to my edge. All right. So when I know a tool like VWAP, if used in a correct way, it's extremely powerful. So I like to keep it on my chart, because when the market structure changes, or when there is a continuation trade or whatever based upon price action gives you an idea, it gives you an bias that okay, you are looking for an upside trade, you are looking for a downside trade. But how are you going to get into a trade? You cannot randomly, let's for the sake of example, let's say this, okay, we are making a bullish market structure, we might be making a bullish market structure, that is what your price action tells you. Will you buy here? Will you just go long randomly here and place your SL? What's your target? Nope. So now tools like VWAP makes it extremely easy for you to predict a zone, not predict, but yeah, find out the best zone around this area, which makes sense to make another higher high or a higher low, and then get into a continuation trade or a reversal trade as well. So that's extremely possible. And VWAP, no matter if you can master it or not, but then just consider this one thing when you're using VWAP, that VWAP is always supposed to be used in a trending market only, not in the ranges, not in a grinding or a very grinding upside move or a downside move. Nope. You need to see a clean direction, clean trend, and that is where you use your VWAP. ITC view in crypto. ITC, I do not. SMC, ICT, I've seen a lot of such traders. I mean, yeah, I'm sure you guys have seen as well. I've never seen a profitable ITC or SMC trader. That's my thing. I mean, again, I've seen a lot of traders who use ITC or SMC, but never a profitable trader. But that might be an issue on my end. Like, I've never met them. There might be traders who are making money out of ITC, but I've never seen them. Like, if you are mastering ITC or SMC, basically you're mastering price action, and mastering price action is not that easy, is what I would tell you. Since how long are you trading and how did you start? So like pretty much in a few months, I'll be completing a decade, like that is 10 years in trading. And for me, like the starting few months were like starting few years were the most, what do you call, were the kind of the years where I was extremely dedicated to what I was doing. So first 6 months, I'll tell you, was basic. First 2 months, to be like precise, yeah, first 2 months were the time when I was just trading this as gambling, and okay, this will make me money, but how, what am I supposed to do? I was just figuring that out. So 2-3 months were just random. After that, I started with the Indian market. I did that for a few months as well, and at that point of time, crypto was actually in a bull run, so there was a lot of hype that okay, someone invested $100 and made $10,000. Someone invested $100 and made 100K or 200K. So that did attract my attention as well, and that is how I got into crypto. It was all about hype is what I would say, but then I was basically looking at the crypto charts and the Indian market as well, and I saw and I witnessed it for myself that okay, the same amount of effort that I was doing in the Indian market, when I did that in the crypto, I saw, like, I literally saw a major change in the results that I was getting to see. So I made sure to stick with the crypto, and specifically I tell you, I've literally traded Bitcoin for about 5 years and no other asset. So I just like Bitcoin, like that's it. That's all I did. I just watched Bitcoin. I just looked at Bitcoin. If there was an opportunity, I took it. That is all I did. Nothing other than Bitcoin. But after that, obviously, once you get hold of, like right now, when I look at the Bitcoin chart, I know, like most of the time, I know what it's going to do. I mean, I might like be wrong as well. That's not the scenario, but most of the time I do know what it is going to do, and that's because I've been looking at it for almost 5-6 years now. It's not like after 5 years I just gave up. I also looked at other assets as well. Then I looked at gold, some forex pairs, some random stuff. But after that I started to diversify. When in the initial phase it was just Bitcoin for 5 years and nothing else. Ganesh, I'll have a look at it for sure. What was your first capital in the market? I would say it was anywhere around 10,000 ish zone. I never blew an account. Yeah, I made major losses, but never blew any account. So that was a great thing according to me. But I'll tell you, for me not to blow an account was because I was far away from the noise which is on the crypto, or sorry, which is on the YouTube platform. I was literally far away from that. I was not even trying to follow any kind of guru or someone like, okay, this person will teach me trading. That is what I never did. So I think that helped me to stay away from all the noise, and yeah, and then I could just capitalize because I knew what were the basics. I'll tell you, everyone, like literally 60 people are watching the stream right now. All of you, you know the basics. Like you already know how the market works, what is liquidity, what are the levels, what is the liquidity, and everything. You know about everything. But then the point is, are you able to execute it properly? Are you able to manage your psychology according to it? Nope. Why? Because you have been looking at a random YouTuber who trades with $1,000 or $10,000 and he makes a profit of $500, $600, $1,000 or $2,000, and you're like, okay, that is what I want to do. That is what trading is. But that's not the scenario. And yeah, you need to stay far away from that, because you are not chasing numbers, you are chasing results. And once you learn that, once you understand that you are here for the results and not for someone's number, like okay, they are making 10,000 or 20,000. That's not what will matter in the end, right? So yeah, my highest profit till now, what is it? What's your highest profit? Made 75% of my capital yesterday, Bitcoin long trade. Interesting. It seems like you went in like kind of all in with your capital. Cool. What's your VWAP setting? It's pretty much basic. There's not a lot that has changed. Long time. Short was planned. We'll see that. Yeah. We'll see how that short trade goes then. How can I join Inner Circle? I open more DEX account. Milestone, just fill the Google form. Enter your wallet address as well and you will be added. So yeah, I did TP1 on the short trade that I took on Bitcoin. After that, I had my stop loss at break even, which just got hit. So I'm out of any trade that I was in, like any short trade that I took, I'm out of it. But we'll see. Right now, this is the short trade that I'm interested in, the VWAP one. It has single prints as well. So VWAP is not the major confluence of this trade. The major confluence is single print. It's 25. Navneet creation. Currently, I'm 25. My playbook, long fart coin with 100x leverage with my entire net worth. I mean, either you will be the richest guy or we all know how that ends. But I'll pray for you, brother. I hope you make a lot of money and help me retire as well. But we'll see. Gold is okay. Gold did give that entry. I mean, I was not looking at the charts, but it's still is playing around. So we'll see how that goes. I mean, you can get into this trade if you are interested. Yeah, you can. The risk is pretty small, so you can consider it for sure. What is single print? Single print is basically a level which is kind of a gap in the market. Like you all know how the market gaps up and gaps down. That is all that you guys are aware of. But single print is basically a gap, but that is not on the basis of candles. Like, oh, candle did not close above and higher. It is based upon timing, like a gap in the time of the market. So that is what single prints are. I mean, it might sound complicated, but it's not. And that's not something which you have to like calculate manually or look at it manually. That's not, that is literally a tool in TradingView which gives you an understanding of all of that, like literally at once. Bitcoin seems like it is changing the market structure. If you are not able to take out the highs, that can be a bit tricky, because yeah, you made your low, you made your higher low, even though the lows are pretty poor. So for a short trade, for a scalp short trade, it makes a lot of sense that you hit one of the most important levels and then reverse from that. So we'll see. Hi traders. Hey chart surgeon, what's up brother? Welcome to the stream. Yeah, I do see a lot of new members on the stream as well, guys. Everyone who's new, make sure to hit that like button as well. How did you learn footprints? Footprint was basically a mix of everything, is what I would say. Like I learned about a few different softwares that gave me an idea of footprint, and then the next thing was obviously to find out which one suits me the best. So I had to look out at multiple software. Some of them were free, some of them were paid, and literally every free version of software that I used was messed up. Like they were not even close to accurate data. So that was a major issue, because any software that is showing you footprint has to buy that data from somewhere. All right, and if they are giving it to you for free, basically they are just using the volume literally in every candle, whatever the volume was, and they are just dividing it into buy and sell. So that's why they are not able to build an accurate platform. So I just found out a few softwares that were good for me. And what I did was, like, I mean, obviously I tried to do online research and look at the internet as well. But then next and the most important thing from my end was, whatever I did not understand in their software, in their platform, I just used to send them an email that, okay, how does this work, or what does this do? Most of the time they did used to give me a good reply, because obviously I was a paying member. But yeah, they did help me with that as well. And rest you have to figure it out on your own. So that is my journey with the footprints. And I think that is literally the best part. That is literally the best way to learn. If you have few years to spare, like if you have 2 years, 2.5 years around to get great at footprint, I would say, yeah, if you have 3 years, learn it on your own. Just make sure the resources that you are using are reliable, because there are so many videos on YouTube that I see right now, and none of them make sense. Like, not none of them, but yeah, most of them do not even make sense. But that's fine. That's fine. Let's look at some altcoins as well. We've got, okay, yeah, someone asked me for what the footprint right now looks like. So let me share that as well. Yeah, so this is what the current order flow looks like. Just at the top, you had a lot of shorts getting closed. Yeah, so just around this area. Was there an aggressive? So you had 11 million longs entering here at this spike in the open interest. 11 million longs entered, and just around this area, 22 million longs, 22 shorts. So either it's that 11 million exiting out of their position and a few more, so that's why combined it shows you 22 million, because all the traders that entered around this zone, which I'm highlighting on the open interest, every trader who entered here probably exited at the top, and that's why the open interest dumped when they entered, and pumped when they entered and dumped when they exited. And after that, there were a lot of longs actually closed. Yeah, so it's pretty clear. Right at this top, the longs closed. There was nothing on the shorts. So shorts did not open. It was basically all the longs that we built throughout this grinding move. They just closed at this top. So most of them, they actually exited at break even. All right. So most of them who were in a long position, they exited at break even. Gives us an understanding that market might go a bit more lower. Yeah, so this one stopped me out at the break even, and after that it is going lower. Interesting. Ethereum, what is Ethereum doing? Ethereum is nothing too crazy. We've got XRP, we've got AVEX, got Stark, Trump coin. Yeah, I'm looking for some opportunities in the altcoins as well. If we have something interesting, let's take that trade as well. But yeah, for now I do not see anything interesting, to be honest. Taking out all of the local liquidity right now on Crow, but yeah, it's not listed on many exchange anyways. Is it listed on mode? Let me check this out. CRO. So what happened? Yeah, it is not. Okay, so you guys are not even able to look at the trading view. I was sharing a different screen. I'm sorry about that. Let me quickly fix that as well. Yeah, so I'm looking at all of the altcoins. I do not see. Yeah, I see we are taking out the local liquidity, but nothing too crazy. Let's see what other assets do we have. Matic can be an interesting one. We've changed the market structure. Matic makes sense to go long here. Yeah, I would say Matic has a chance. Where did Matic go? A risky trade. Money flow is exiting. Let's see what else. Near Toncoin. We're not trying to trade Forex, so let's skip that. Solana, we were looking to short that. Yeah, you can consider shorting Solana, to be honest. SL is pretty okay-ish. Yeah, SL is pretty okay-ish, so you can consider this. Let's see. What else do we have? Your view on booming bulls. Great businessman is what I would say. Has great marketing skills. Never seen him trading, so not sure. I guess we have seen a few streams, but yeah, that was not him trading. It was someone else trading on a stream. So can't say anything about him. Like if I check out YouTube, let's see if there is anyone who is live right now. So we've got these guys who are live. Well Secret, Trading Legacy, Trade for Profit. This is my favorite channel. Obviously, that's my favorite channel. Bitcoin Hitpoint. So everyone who is not yet liked the stream, you have to make sure to like the stream and obviously subscribe to this channel as well. Hey Fahad bhai, a bit late in the stream also. Not a problem, brother. You are around that. That's fine. Can you give analysis on Shiba USDT? I can absolutely do that. Right now, the Solana trade is the only trade. Yep. What is the Bitcoin Hitpoint indicator on your chart? What it shows? I also want to build my own. So I'm not sure how you can build your own. I mean, you need to have some knowledge of what do you call Pine script and coding and stuff. So if you have some knowledge of that, you can make it. And this indicator that you see on my screen is it basically marks some of the most basic level that I look at. And yeah, I have to add a lot more levels to it. That is what we will be doing with that particular indicator, which you see on my screen. And yeah, so we've got Trader Paradise, Top G, Top G. We've got Big Bull. We've got our favorite guy live as well. We'll have to start with him, obviously. We'll have to start with him. Oh no.
आप मेरे साथ सीटीसी करो या वेट करो, आपको मैंने क्या बोला, मैं निकल रहा हूँ, आपको निकलना है तो आप निकल सकते हो.
Straightforward. Straight up. How to draw a label? What is that? How to get money on BingX or DeltaX? How to get P2P transaction into it? So I'm not sure if there is a P2P in Delta, but there is a good option on BingX. So yeah, just use the link which is in the description, and you can sign up to a BingX account. Use that. It's pretty safe. Here the game begins psychologically. Brother just disappeared. So someone did tell him that we are looking at his stream and he just ran away. But that's fine. Well, secret trader paradise. What is this? What is this? We've got Big Bull Whitey. Okay, he took a trade.
Okay.
Chalo. He's in a trade. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, he's copying our trade, it seems.
Yes. We are executed a buy trade in a gold from market price, okay?
Okay. Sir, can you review trade time with Pranjal, his
Expected TBA
previous...
3,000.
If he is live, I'll watch it. But if he's not live, I do not want to watch a recorded video.
196 बॉटम से लेता शायद इसको होती कोशिश अगर मैं सही समय पे इधर ध्यान देता बट कोई बात नहीं वेरी गुड इवनिंग साई आचार्य जी आपका स्वागत है वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम क्या हाल चाल है साई आचार्य जी कैसे हैं आप
So the question that Pappu has asked is how to draw a trading plan. I am assuming the question is how to make a trading plan, like where to buy and sell. That is the question. So I would say plan is never about how and where are you going to buy and sell. It's about what is the chart telling you, like what is your analysis, what does the market look like, is it bearish, is it bullish, and that is all. Either like if you are learning on your own, you'll have to like you'll have to make your observations, you'll have to note them down, you'll have to have some experience, create chart timings. And by chart timing I mean like you'll have to be looking at the charts for a good enough time, so that when you see at a particular candle you'll know that okay, this candle it's a bearish, it's bullish. So that is a lot of things. That's pretty basic question that you asked. So एक्सनेस वालों को टिप मिल गया. Just for the sake of entertainment. I mean, I'm sure there might be something interesting, but there is nothing. So yeah, let's get back to this. Let's just stick to this. There's nothing too good happening. Yeah. What is the best anchor period of CBD in 15 minute or 3-minute anchor period? I never said that. Like I'm not sure what tool you are using. So yeah, you'll have to, like, are you using it on TradingView? GBP USD, is it in my, just a minute. Let me quickly go to, is it in my watch list? You said GBP, right? GBP USD. I don't think so. It's in my watch list, or is, yeah, there is. Pin bar entry can be, yeah, it seems good. You'll have to be aggressive because the buyback seems good. So yeah, you'll have to be aggressive with the TP. You've got a lot of liquidity, so yeah, you can consider holding this. Yeah, it's a great entry is what I would say. Shiba Inu is what you said, right? Let me have a quick look at Shiba Inu. Looking at this on a 2-hour time frame, took out the liquidity, started to grind higher. Okay, where did we reverse from? Like, what is the logic behind this bottom? Let's first understand that. Okay, there was nothing for us to reverse from this point of time. There was nothing on TPO. It shows where is my, okay, yeah, I'll have to make custom settings for that. Yeah, anyways, it was not a good low. So you have no logic for you to reverse from here. This is not a great bottom. I would say a backtest of VWAP on this 30-minute, 2 hours of major time frame is definitely a shorting opportunity because we've took out the liquidity as well. So shorting here is not that risky as compared to going long. All right, so that is what I would say. Like Toko sub. Yes, absolutely, guys. We see almost 50 viewers and still 25 likes. So everyone who has not yet liked the stream, just make sure to hit that like button as well. We want to take a few trades. I'm really interested in getting into a few trades. At least one, if not more. What is that Solana trade doing? We are in that, but where is it? Let's say it's still at break even. Nothing interesting with this. Nothing interesting at all. Accumulation below the VWAP, not a great sign, but yeah, that's the trade. Like Toko sub. Yes. Can you review trade time with Pranjal? Yeah, as I said, if he is live, I can have a look at it. If not, then not. Manan Agarwal, let's leave that, brother. Thumbnail pe we'll have a discussion probably sometime. 6 to 9 gang. Yep, absolutely. Yeah, like I was looking at the Telegram chat recently, and someone did send me about 3 or 4 memes from the trading community, like of different traders and like overall like generic memes as well. And I was really enjoying that as well. I thought I'll show it to you guys, but I don't think so I can. So I've asked that guy to post it in the Discord server as well. So basically I can share the Discord screen as well. So what we can do is, like, if you guys go around and find some really interesting memes, can be about trading, can be about like finance or whatever you guys feel like, you can just post it in the Discord server and we all can have a look at it on the live streams as well. I mean, I really like this meme that he sent me. So yeah, we can have a dedicated Discord channel made for that. You guys can be posting your memes there and we can just like have a review on the stream itself. So yeah, kind of like, it's obviously nothing new, but that is what we can be doing as well. Bro, CVD, answer to my question. I do not use it in trading, so yep, my settings will not even matter because I do not use it in trading view. Got this a bit more lower on ETH5 would be great. So yeah, kind of a swing trade, not a swing trade, it's all on 30-minute time frame, but yeah, might be interesting. Yeah, the best zone here on ETH5 looks something like this. Like for a continuation trade, that is the best box. This is where I'll be looking to get into a trade. Let me hide all of the noises. Yeah, let me hide all of this. Yeah, seems like a great zone. We'll see how this plays out. Is it a big zone? Is it 2%? Okay, yeah, it's a 5%. And we are targeting easy 12. So yeah, great 1:2, probably even better risk to reward on this, because our SL will always be the local SL. We are not going to place it that low. So wherever we reverse from, that becomes our SL, and we will be targeting the high. So chances are that this trade, in this particular trade, we might have up to 3% of SL and a 13-14% of target. So we'll see. BCH sudden pump, any pattern? BCH, I can have a look at that, brother. Looks like there are less people active on Discord nowadays, because yeah, most of the peoples are active on Telegram. So I get that. I get that point. Mode may you not see Solana. Is that so? Let me have a look. Solana should be there. Yeah, Sol is right on the top, brother. Solana, it's right there on the top. I'll show it to you if you want me to. Yeah, so this is where you search for the assets. Like if I hide it, this is all the assets that are listed, and Solana is right on the 4th rank. But if you do not see it, you can just search for Solana, and this is where you see it. So everyone, guys, this is the exchange there that I am trading on right now. This is called as Mode Dex. This is a decentralized exchange, all right? It's completely different than where we have been trading at, like right now. This is an exchange which does not need any documentation, any KYC and anything, and still it's the most secured exchange when compared to the most biggest exchange. Like there are chances that, like you've already heard that Binance had a hack, Bybit had a hack, and most of the biggest exchange, they have got their exchanges hacked, and your funds, it just vanishes away, like because the funds are gone, they cannot do anything. But when you trade on exchange like this, which is this mode dex where I'm trading, like, even if there is a hack, even if someone does anything which is unethical or hack or whatever, your funds still stay in your own wallet. All right, so no matter whatever happens to this exchange tomorrow, you will still have your funds safe. You can do whatever you want to do. Like, you can, it's basically in your wallet. All right, so no matter what happens to them, your funds will always stay safe. All right, so is this safe? Yes, it is. It is absolutely safe is what I would say, because this is all on the blockchain. This is not a dedicated like a team or someone managing an exchange, and they can literally freeze your account. They can never freeze your account. Even if they want to, they can never freeze your account. All right, so no, what do you call, issue of getting account freeze, no issues of getting your funds lost. And yeah, so there are a lot of perks to this. I would definitely recommend to start trading on mode, because this is obviously, this is where you will be trading in the future, which will be dex and not on the centralized exchange, because here you're not submitting any kind of documentations, not doing any KYC. There is no way someone can track what you're doing with your funds, until unless you want someone to track you. No, there is no way someone can track you, right? Like what you're buying, what you're selling, and what you're doing. So this is exactly where you want to be trading. This is the future of the trading. Quickly looking at the order flow as well. By the time, a slow grind towards the downside on Bitcoin, while the longs are pretty much sideways. I mean, they are opening, but not that aggressively, and shorts are closing out. So longs, I see we are about to get another push towards the downside is what I feel. So on Bitcoin, specifically on Bitcoin, if I tell you guys, I am looking at I'm looking at a zone of 107.2 for next buying opportunities. 107.2 for next buying opportunities. Mode per dex. Yeah, Greeky has shared the link, guys. Everyone who is interested to trade on this dex, which is called as mode dex. Here, if you can even trade gold. All right, so literally trading gold without any documentation. So this pair, which is in crypto gold, you basically call it as PAX. So you can look at that as well. This is what it is, and you can be trading gold as well right here. So trade gold, trade crypto, trade whatever you want to, and yeah. Chalo, cool. So I think I might try this platform in front of you. This is not an exchange or something which you guys want to be trading on. This is a meme coin gambling platform. Not at all in favor of it. Not even like trying to promote or something. Nope. But this is where you can gamble with your extra $10 probably, or whatever you might feel like. With $10 you cannot do anything here, to be honest. But yeah, this is the place where usually $1,000 turn into 100k and those insane kind of returns. But you have a higher chances of losing everything right at once. Damn, I didn't knew that. Yep, mode dex, it's pretty insane. It's pretty interesting. So you can trade gold, you can trade any asset that you want to, like all the cryptos. Give it a try and become a billionaire, or probably lose everything. Don't even like, I'll do it on the live stream for you guys, but do not even try this. I'll be like completely like upfront about it. That's one way to lose everything that you have. So yeah, do not get into that. It's a fun platform. Like I did share the charts with you guys, if you all remember. Like, this is a 5-second chart. See what it looks like on 1 minute. Yeah, so this is what the charts look like. On the right side, the numbers that you see is the market cap. So yeah, you can change that if you want to. Let's see what is like this Trump coin has been around for a very long time. So you see here, there are a lot of coins that are getting added, like this side on the extreme left hand side. That's because that is exactly like, it has been 5 seconds since big Papa coin has been minted and listed. So you see this it's literally a 1 second chart. This is literally a 1 second chart. So the market cap started from 4.6k, went all the way up till 5.2, and now it's below 4.4k. So it's one of the insane kind of what do you call, meme coin trading platform. So you got another, okay, you look at this chart. Look at this. Like it started from 37, obviously, and it's currently at 552. There is no liquidity here. But you just get the idea how it is. How to deposit in mode. So do this. Like I'll assume you all of you guys have an account on BingX, all right? If you don't, you can just use the link which is in the description. Sign up to a BingX account, all right? Just do that, and once you are done with it, let's say you want to trade with $500 or $100 because there is nothing like minimum there. So let's say you want to trade just with $500. Do this, like buy $500 worth of Ethereum, send it to your MetaMask wallet, and then basically just bridge it for Ethereum to USDC. Like if I say it right just this way, it might sound a bit complicated, but it's not. So yeah, that's pretty simple. Short video for deposit. Yeah, I'm planning to do that. Yeah, I'll probably make a video on that. Absolutely. POC. Yeah, I'm still expecting Bitcoin to go a lot lower. I mean, not a lot lower, but then yeah, 107.2 ish was the zone. Probably a bit more lower, to be honest. Yeah, I'll be looking for that kind of sweep. This is another one of those charts. Yeah, so on Modex, as I was telling you guys, you can also be trading gold, and there is going to be a dedicated gold chart added to this as well. So you will have this crypto gold as well, which this is a crypto pair. In crypto trading, gold is called as this PAXG, but then you'll have a dedicated pair called as XAU as well, which will be listed pretty soon, and you can be trading that as well. So you have gold, you have your crypto, obviously it's all there, and you'll be getting a lot more other pairs as well. US Independence Day coming, any significant that nope, markets are going to be pretty much sideways because everything stays closed that day. So yeah, chances are that it might just stay sideways. There's nothing too interesting that you can be expecting. All right, just give me a second, guys. CMM is getting increased. Yes, pretty soon it will be. It will be pretty soon. Market shoot up kar jayega. Right now Bitcoin is dumping. Nothing too interesting on Bitcoin. Trading view. Where is Solana? Let's have a look at Solana. And Solana is still around the entry point. Damn. This accumulation is not a great sign because it is all happening just below the VWAP. So let's have a quick look at the footprint. Do I need to make changes to the footprint as well? I'll have to remove my custom settings for trading here. Or probably not. So yeah, this is pretty much all the sideways candle. We've got positive delta, positive delta, positive delta, and now we see negative delta. Yeah, it's a mixed match of everything, and it's pretty messed up anyways. But if the longs are entering and the market is not able to push higher, that gives me an idea that we are expecting another push towards the downside. Because if longs are entering into the market, what's the point? Why are we not going higher? But then we'll see eventually how that happens and when that happens. Interesting. All right, so gold is somewhere around here. Great for gold as well. The chart design looks great. Yeah, I was testing it out. I see. It seems like this is a good one. like I had to make a few changes. That was popping up a lot, like to the naked eyes. It was like too bright. Not that I had some problems with that, but then it's fine to keep making certain changes. Okay. Yeah, so I also had to open up a slot for the Hitpoint wave, I remember. Yeah, I'll be doing that as well right on the stream. Dude, is alt season even real? I mean, I would like to see an alt season happening pretty soon. I've got a few altcoins, not a few, just about 2 coins that I'm holding. But yeah, we'll see. I expect it to happen soon. But until unless Bitcoin gives you another push, for me, the altcoin season might start once we get into, like, once we take out the previous highs. All right. So once you're done with that, and then you start to range, Ethereum goes anywhere above like that 3K mark. After that, I would assume that altcoin seasons might start. So at least 2.9, 2.8 when it becomes an base price for Ethereum. Like right now, if I just zoom out a bit, all right, the base price for Ethereum right now seems anywhere around 2.3, 2.2 ish zone. All right, that is the area where maximum time we have took the support. When this support level goes above like 2.8, 2.9 zone, like right now the resistance, when you flip that and make it the when you flip this resistance and make it your support zone, it is then when the alt season might start pretty aggressively. So yeah, that's possible. Yes, अगला नाम ग्रीकी का है. AI terminal code, yeah, I can share it with you. I did ask a few of you guys to send me the DM, I remember, for the AI code, that AI terminal code, because most of the codes that I sent on the chats were either used by someone else or not valid. I'm not sure. Like all of them are obviously valid, but yeah, I'll share it in the DM. फात भाई, आपकी जैसी एनालिसिस स्किल को कैसे प्राप्त करें? Either give it 10 years or get a great mentor, probably. I think, yeah, that's one of the ways. Either give it 10 years, because I still feel I am learning, I'm still adding a lot more to my trading, or yeah, either give it 10 years or learn from someone who is great. ये तो बहुत मुश्किल है भाई. स्ट्रीम बात करता हूँ सर. Yeah, absolutely. Hi Parth, I got 3 free prompts. Yeah, right now I would say it's free for everyone. So yeah, for anyone who was asking me about the code, it's currently free for everyone. So you guys can go and use it. Like everyone who has signed up using the link, guys, it's free for all of you to use. So make sure, like Greeky, kindly share the link of the mode decks as well for everyone. Make sure to sign up to more decks. You would want to trade there because there are a lot of perks as well. All right, like you are going to be trading on any exchange anyways. Like trade on Xness, trade on Bybit, BingX, trade on what do you call, Binance. But trading there does not give you anything. Like if you made profit, yeah, you get that, but nothing else, right? But if you trade on this mode decks, which I just shared with you guys, just by trading there, you will be eligible for a lot of rewards. They are making changes to their reward plan, but it's still available for all the members who are using the link. So yeah, before they make any major changes, like people were making almost $400-$500 every week, and not even every month. They were making it every week. So you would want to be doing that as well. So yeah, Greeky has shared the link to the mode decks. So everyone who signs up to the mode decks, just make sure Greeky has also shared a link of the Google form. So once you start to trade on mode decks, just fill that form and you will be added to an exclusive group, which is the premium group that we have made, which is not available to anyone who pays. It's only for the people who are trading on the mode decks. So yeah. Bro, I want to get into CMM. All right, that's a great choice, Legend. If you are interested in getting into CMM, Greeky, kindly share the CMM link with the Legend. That's an absolute smart decision to make, is what I would say. Obviously, I would say it because I'll be biased, but yeah, you'll know. Once you finish it up, you'll know why I said it was a smart decision to make. All right. What is Solana? It's still around the entry, I would assume. Where is Solana? Yeah, it's still around the entry. Damn. Okay, not around the entry. Started to play out a bit. Is gold also playing out? So we've got gold and Solana. There's two trades right now. Gold and Solana. I need to do what other traders do, which is something. Okay, why does the whole layout changes? I'm not sure. Probably I'm a noob with this because it's not supposed to happen. But yeah, fine. And otaku lovers, what's your TG? My, just get into the public Telegram group and you'll see my ID. So yeah, you can do that. Or and everyone who has not yet followed Bitcoin Hitpoint on Instagram channel, Instagram page channel, whatever. Yeah, you guys need to make sure to follow Bitcoin Hitpoint as well. If you're interested in following me, you'll get my ID right in the Bitcoin Hitpoint following list itself. So we are just following two people. It's me and Siddhan Bhai. So if you are interested, you can follow us as well. But make sure to follow Bitcoin Hitpoint. All right. Interesting. What else? Like, yeah, I do not see any opportunities in any other altcoins right now. Solana, it's playing out great. Gold is playing out great. Other than that, we had that Matic trade which we planned. Interesting. Can be looking for a short opportunity here on Matic. Nah, I'm not taking the chance. Two great trades. That's it. I've took a few trades in Bitcoin as well that went pretty interesting. So for me, it was interesting day. Bitcoin, did it dump it? Oh yeah, it did. Damn, it did. Took out the basic liquidity. That's your long trade if I'm not wrong. Yes, absolutely it is. Absolutely. Where am I? All right, let me have a look. Yeah, I'll probably be looking for a bit more lower. We just took out the local liquidity. Yeah, there's still some liquidity to the downside, to be honest. What is exit charts telling me? Exit chart shows open interest going lower. A lot of shorts opening. That's a great sign. But is it because the longs closed? Yeah, longs closed. Shorts did not enter. It's the long that are closing. So this is a manipulation move. I am interested in going long just around this area, guys. I'll share that as well. Let me do this. Hide all of this. Yeah, so that's the trade for me. I mean, technically, we did take out the liquidity. Some still pending. Most of them taken out. Yeah, it is there. Most of the confirmations are there, but I would like to see a bit more lower. Longs entering, but not even in million. We've got 12 million shorts right at this area, right at this bottom. We've got 12 million shorts and not even a million in longs. Not a great sign. I would wait here. Like, this is my zone of interest. I'll be honest about that. Any asset that you are holding for life? Ethereum and Bitcoin, obviously. Collecting money to buy CMM. Great choice, brother. Great choice. What's your TG? So yeah, anyone who's interested to send me a DM or connect with me, just join the public Telegram group. The link to them will be in the description, and you can just find my Telegram ID and reach out to me. Yeah, so right now we've got 1.7 million longs, 1.8 million longs. This is front running the level. I'm not happy with what I'm looking at. I'll wait. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for my zone. Technically, we've hit a previous day low. We have made a new low. So yeah, that is a valid trade. With a smaller SL, I am taking this trade. With a smaller SL, I'm getting into this trade. Because I'm still expecting the lower one to play out. Okay. Yeah. So what levels are you guys looking at? Face reveal ho hi gaya yaar. Yes, brother. I've been using like probably the face cam stream. We have been doing it for about 3-4 days now. Like, yeah. So it's been a few streams. Earlier I did not like used to like go on the cam. Like I never used to turn on the face cam. It's about 4-5 days. So we've done about 10 streams, if not more. Like just less than 10 streams with the face cam on, probably 6-7 or something. But that's fine. Yeah, so that's about Bitcoin. Like can you guys see my screen, right? You guys can. Yeah, so that's the trade that I'm currently in, but we'll see. Yeah, the market is in an interesting position right now. Enroll to this form. Yeah, absolutely. Greeky, share the crypto cohort link as well for everyone to have a look at it. Yeah, everyone, so who has not yet filled the form to crypto cohort, guys, make sure to fill that. Fill in all the details, and yeah, do that because it helps us with a lot of things. And as I said, one of you might get lucky with the crypto cohort as well. So why not take a chance? Take why are you standing, bro? Because that's how I like to stream. It's like 12 hours every day that I am in front of my screen. 12 hours or probably more. Oh damn, why is it's flying? The trade is literally flying for me. Literally flying. Like this is currently what the trade is. But yeah, I'm going to do some aggressive TP on this. TP1 probably right around that zone. Solana, it's probably, why are you standing, bro? Yeah, as I said, I'm in front of my screens literally for 10 plus hours, to be honest. So I cannot be just sitting in front of the screen, and that's the reason why I got this desk, which is adjustable. So I keep it at a higher desk when I'm like at a higher position when I'm streaming, and when I'm doing my analysis and stuff, I just take it lower so that it's fine that way. All right. Do we have something interesting that I should share with you guys? अच्छा थोड़ी देर movement होना. Yeah, so I do a stream which is about 1 hour, 1.5 hours. So standing for 1.5 hours, that's fine for me. Like, yeah, like I keep on moving. I can like look at all of the screens anyway. So it's absolutely fine for me. So yeah. Cool. So yeah, that's probably it. I'm still in that trade that I shared with you guys. I do not see any new movement, like anything new which is happening. We got into that trade, played out absolutely well. Currently, this is where it stands. Yeah, currently this is where it stands. Anywhere it's currently at 25% up. Just doing my TP1 around this area, and yeah, that's and still. And now after this, I'll just be holding this. That's all that I'm gonna do. So yeah, so this was somewhere around the long trade which we got in, holding it probably a bit more higher. What was the, yeah, open was somewhere around here. Exo charts, let's have a look at exo charts as well. Why not? Congrats, bro, for 3K subscribers. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much for noticing. And yeah, it feels good. I mean, the target was a lot more higher, but then at least like something is still better than nothing. So yeah, it's absolutely fine. Thank you so much, though. Yeah, looking at the exo charts, the open interest has slightly started to go higher. We had 12 million shorts trapped right at the bottom. We got 6.8 million longs entering after that. And it seems like some more shorts are opening right where we are. And that's the reason why we are stopping here. Like, let me show it to you guys. Hide everything. Yeah, so we had that selling imbalance made, and now a lot more of buyers entering. So that's a great sign for any market structure, or for any entry that you do on the basis of market structure, but then, sorry, on the basis of footprint. But then for me, it would have been a lot better if you would have got a bit more below, a bit more lower, but that's absolutely fine. I mean, we got into the trade, we made great returns. Like, we are already up by, what's the percentage right now? Yeah, almost 30%. So I've got nothing to complain. Got my TP1, got my stuff sorted. So, oh yeah, now I get it. You cannot do this. Yeah, so 28, currently at 30%, but that's what the trade is. That is where we are right now. Cool. So that's probably it for the stream, guys. Thank you so much for joining, and thank you so much for sharing your time with me. I'll be doing another stream at 10 p.m. as well. You guys can join in that one. We'll be capturing a lot more trades, a lot more trading insights, a lot more discussions, and the giveaway, which you guys did not remind me on this particular stream. I'll do it on the next stream itself. All right. So, yep. Thank you. बस यही सीखना है. Just stick around the streams, guys. Just stick around the stream. Just be a part of this community. Just be a part of this channel, and you are going to learn a lot of advanced stuff just for free. Right? For like right by invest. Obviously, it's not free. You are investing your time on this channel, and that's still a good trade according to me. Like, investing your time for great knowledge. So yeah, that is what we'll do. Great knowledge. We take trades as well. We get knowledge. We have great conversation, great tout solving session kind of thing as well. So yeah, no complaints. Everyone is gaining something from it. So thank you so much for joining this particular stream, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.